Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing part 2 of affordable gifts you can give your family. Last time I did affordable gifts you can give your friends, so if you have not, go ahead and check that out up here. And also, if you are not subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this, along with night routines and all that jazz. Let's go. So, the first person I want to talk about giving gifts to is your dad. I know I struggle the hardest with giving my dad gifts. You could give your dad a mug with a gift card in it, or a mug and some coffee, his favorite coffee. My dad is a really big coffee fan, so we always give him a thermos and a mug if we are unsure what to do. I wonder if he's caught on yet. Or you could get them some PJs because comfy is in these days. You could get him a gift card to his favorite tool place, or a gift card to anywhere that he really likes. So gifts you could give your mom include clothes, jewelry, perfume, body wash, bath salts, body lotions. You could go to Bath and Body Works. But if you are looking for a cheaper thing like that, go ahead and go to Walmart, or just really anywhere that you know is known for lower prices. Go there, because I'm sure you can find some off-brand perfume or anything like that. Maybe your mom collects some weird things. Like my mom, for some reason, collects pigs. She really likes pig figurines, and I don't know why, but it's fine. Go mom, go for you. But you could get her a collectible, anything that she would like or use. The next person I'm going to talk about is your brother. So for your brother, depending on how old he is, if he is younger, you could go with the typical Hot Wheels, remote control cars, because I know they have some cheap ones of those that are like $10, or action figurines. I've never had a brother, so that's really all I can come up with for the younger ones. So if you have any other ideas as far as gifts you could give your brother, let me know. For your older brothers, or brothers that are a little bit older, you could get them inexpensive video games, maybe the new PS4 controller, depending on how much it is. Or if they're into sports, you could get them a football, basketball, soccer ball, maybe they like volleyball, really anything. Yeah, that's all I got for the brothers. So the last person I want to talk about is your sisters. I feel like I can get my sister presents that are a lot more similar to what I would want. If I like a piece of jewelry, then I'll get it for her, and vice versa. I feel like it works both ways. I don't know what I'm doing. But you could get her body wash, bath salts, body lotion, bath bombs are a really big thing these days. Like, I love bath bombs. They're so cool. You could get your sister some clothes, some jewelry. Yeah, no, that's about it. That's all I can come up with. Maybe your sister steals your makeup or certain outfits that you have and you get really annoyed. Go buy her those outfits, because then she won't take yours. Genius, right? If you have a younger sister, you could always get her Barbies, stuffed animals, or even dolls, because when I was little, I was really into Polly Pockets. Like, I played with Polly Pockets every day. Me and my friend Kyler. Sorry, Kyler. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked any of these ideas, go ahead and leave a comment down below and letting me know which one you liked. And if you want to see more videos like this, give it a big thumbs up. If you have not yet, go ahead and subscribe somewhere up here, somewhere on the top. That is everything for this video. I will see you guys next time.